Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my hair, only my natural hair, and I'm also going to be doing my makeup. First, I'm going to damp my hair a little bit with some water to soften it up and get it ready for the style. Now I'm going to section my hair in two halves. I'm going to hold the back away with a hair tie because I'm going to be styling the front. Now I'm going to divide the front in three. The two on the sides are going to be smaller than the one in the middle. Now I'm going to apply some of this Let's Jam on where I'm making my partings, and this is going to make them look nicer and cleaner. Since I'm going to be working on the one in the middle first, I'm going to just braid this one to get it out the way. Now I'm going to take out a small section here on the side of the middle one. And now I'm going to braid this piece down, and I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other side. Now that I got the cornrows out the way, I'm going to go ahead and work on the smaller sections, which is going to be the sides. First, I apply some more jam on it, and then I'm going to take my first section out, and you will see exactly what I'm doing as I do it. So as I take my first section out, I'm going to be holding it using a rubber band. Now I'm going to go ahead and take another section out. So this entire section, I'm going to be sectioning in three. Now I'm going to be using this thingamajigger that I found on Amazon to pull the hair underneath the elastic band just to create a cute little style to it. And as for this thing I'm using, I will link it in the description box so you guys can easily find it. Now I'm going to add that piece of hair I pulled under the elastic band into the second section, and then I'm going to pull that piece under the elastic band again to add it into the third section. And what I did on this side, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, and I'm also going to be doing the same thing with the middle. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray some water on it because I'm trying to get it into an afro puff. You know what I'm saying? And this is the best way I know how to do it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my curling cream on it, and I will link this one down below because I realize it's not very visible on camera. So yeah, I'll link it in the description box. After spraying the water on it, I apply this throughout my hair, and it usually does the trick in getting my hair to look exactly how I want it. So far it's looking good, but I'm gonna allow it to dry. But before I do anything else, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges, and then I'm gonna move on to makeup. For my edges, I'm gonna be using this edge control, and I will link it down below for you guys just in case you're interested. Without any further ado, I'm gonna jump straight into makeup. And to start off, I'm gonna comb through my brows using my Anastasia of Beverly Hills Brow Gel. To fill them in, I'm gonna be using my NYX Lip and Snatch Eyebrow Pencil. I'm then combing through them with my spoolie to fluff them a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of that same concealer on my eyelids. To blend it out, I'm using my Morphe M173 brush. And now I'm gonna set it with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. To do my shadows today, I'm going to be using this palette. It says After Dark on it, but I will get the direct name for you guys and leave it in the description box. I'm going to start off with this light brown color, and I'm going to use that as my transitioning color. As you can see there, I'm blending it out. Next, I'm going to go in with this darker shade that you see me pointing at right here, and I'm going to apply it to the outer corner of my eye and then blend it inward. I think that's where my SD card filled up and I had to switch to another one, so me blending out the darker shade, I didn't get it on camera, but here I am applying the lighter shade that y'all see me point to. Now I'm applying some eyeliner, and this one is by Maybelline. I use it all the time. Here are the lashes I'm going to be using today. Not really sure where I got them, probably AliExpress. And then I'm going to be using my Kiss lash glue to hold them on. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some primer, and this one is from Fenty Beauty, and this is gonna, make my foundation stay on all day looking flawless, you know what I'm saying? For foundation, I'm going to be using my Il Makiage foundation, and I could pat myself on the back because I went with a good choice today. Some days I pick the right choice, some days I pick the wrong choice. It's just how it is. And yeah, I think I picked the right choice today. To blend out my foundation today, I'm going to be using my foundation brush, which is also from Il Makiage. Now I'm going to go in with my Fenty contour stick, and I'm going to just contour certain parts of my face. And to blend it out, I'm using the same brush that I used to apply my foundation. Now I'm going in with my concealer to brighten up certain parts of my face. Now, as usual, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the concealer. Next, I'm going to go in with my bronzer and I'm going to go back over the same areas that I applied the contour earlier. Now I'm going to go in and apply some of this MAC Skin Finish all over my face using a big fluffy brush. Now I'm applying some blush and the one I'm using today is from Il Makiage. Next, I'm applying some highlighter and this one is from Anastasia of Beverly Hills. Now for my lips, I'm gonna line it with this lip pencil from LA Colors. And for lipstick, I'm gonna be using this one from NYX. Now to finish the look off, I'm going to be setting my face using my Rose Water Setting Spray from Maven Beauty. Then I'm going to go straight in and dry it down with my fan. So this is the overall finished look, guys, of my hair and makeup. I have been asked by one of you guys to do hair and makeup in one video, and this is it. So I hope you guys like it. If you do, let me know down below. You already know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button. Also leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. The products I used today for the hair will be linked down below. I will also try and link the makeup products that I use so you guys could find them if you're interested. So guys, just in case you're not feeling like leaving your natural hair out for this hairstyle, you could definitely put it in like a ponytail and put some extension on it, or a clipping ponytail or something. You know, you could style it however you want it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will do my best to get back to them as soon as I possibly can. Also, if you help me to get to 100,000 followers on TikTok, I want to say a big thank you to you. Again, guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.